The 2015-2020 GMC Yukon center console lid and armrest are commonly replaced due to wear, damage, or customization. This DIY repair typically takes 30 to 60 minutes with basic tools. You'll need basic tools including a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, plastic trim removal tool, and possibly a T30 Torx bit. First, optional but recommended, disconnect the battery for safety. Then, remove the console tray or storage bin by simply pulling it out. Next, detach the armrest from the lid, usually by unscrewing or unclipping it. Finally, detach the lid from the console frame, paying attention to hinges or snaps. A plastic trim removal tool is recommended to prevent scratches. Install the new lid and armrest in reverse order, ensuring proper alignment for smooth operation. Double-check that all fasteners are secure. When sourcing replacement parts, OEM parts from GM's online portal or third-party suppliers like Rock Auto are readily available and can save you money. However, mismatching part numbers between GMC Yukon and Chevrolet Tahoe can cause fit issues, so cross-reference VINs or model years. High dealership labor costs, averaging $150 to $300, makes this a worthwhile DIY project. User-generated content on platforms like Reddit's r/GMC Yukon and TikTok, and channels like AutoZone How To can offer more detailed assistance.